welcome to the live stream. I've decided to do something with my planes. Add this little logo on either this part of the tail or that part of the tail. We're attacking over Malta. Oh, I've actually been to Malta. Alright, that's a bit excessive. You might be able to notice that I've managed to figure out... Seriously, dude! I didn't even get to attack anybody. That's not cool. That's not cool at all. I destroyed that aircraft. That person is trying to attack me. I destroyed that aircraft. Enemy kill assist. That's better than nothing. I've said it before. I did not see that plane coming. Mission accomplished, and I placed second in my team. Alright, that was not the best. Alright, that guy is trying to watch out, I still have guns. Aircraft destroyed, okay. Oh, that guy just... that was my friend that hit me. You know what I'll do? I'll use the terrain to my advantage. I've been here, I know the area. Destroyed that aircraft. I'll try going after that aircraft together with my teammate there. No, he got it already. Yeah, my engine is pretty much overheating at the moment. That was at least quite good, I would say. Alright, leave that aircraft. It's not good anyway. I don't have an extinguisher, so I'm gonna die of these flames. Up, 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 up. He might have destroyed a control cable or something. Do you want to go after my teammates? No, because I just destroyed one that did. Collided. Seriously, collided. That's one of the oldest things in the book. Destroyed that aircraft even with a broken wing. Got that aircraft. Well, that was fun. Aircraft destroyed. Alright, we hit each other again. The engine died. I don't think that was the best round in the world. I think I'll do one more round. Alright, nose on collision, not the best thing in the world. And that's all. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.